Hello, myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about function specification. Okay, so function specification, one of the most important things of writing quality Python function is proper specification. A specification actually has a very precise definition and implementation for a Python function. In practice, a specification include debugging and docstring. So there are normally two things include in specification. First, to remove bug, that is debugging, and second, docstring. Okay. First one, debugging. It is the process of finding out why a program does not work and then fixing it. So to find out error in program so that program not execute and remove that error. That is debugging. Okay. Then second one, docstring. The text between triple quotation mark, that is called docstring in a Python. By convention, Python programmer use docstring to provide specification of function. This docstring can be accessed using the built-in function help. So in Python, whatever text that is in between triple quotation, triple single quote or triple double quote, that is docstring. Okay, and this docstring this docstring can be accessed using the built-in function help. Okay. Python programmer use docstring to provide specification of function. Now, example number one, a is equal to 150. Then function name def my underscore function and parenthesis. Now, this two line that is in between triple double quote. So it is docstring. This function will not give error of global variable because a is equal to 150, that is global variable which is declared outside the function. Okay. Now global a, it means a is equal to 150 transfer here. Then a is equal to a plus 30. So value of global A transfer here. So 150 plus 30, that is 180. Then print A. So we get 180 as a output. Now my underscore function, it means function calling. Okay. And then with the help of this help function, help and in the parenthesis my underscore function. So if we run this program, then output for print A, that is 180. Okay, and help function that is used to print out this one. So help on function my function in module underscore underscore main underscore underscore, then my underscore function parenthesis, and then this docstring that is print out. This function will not give error of global variable. Okay, so with the help of help function, we print out docstring of given function. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So a is equal to 150, then def my function, then global a is equal to 150, that is global a. It is transfer here, then a is equal to a plus 30. So a is equal to 150 plus 30. It is equal to 180 and print a, it means 180 print out, then my function and help my function. So if we run this program, then output that is For first one, print A, it is 180. Then we use help function. In this function, we use help. So it is print out docstring in a program. So it is docstring. This function will not give error of global variable. So help function is used to print out docstring used in function. Okay. Then example number 2, def radian to degree. Okay. Def, that is one type of keyword. Radian to degree, that is function, and in the parenthesis alpha. So this is formal argument. Then inside triple double quote, it means this is docstring. Return this value, value return has the type float, then parameter alpha is this, then precondition is this. So this docstring, it is normally information about program, input value, output form. So all information we have to put in docstring. Okay. Then return alpha into in the bracket 180 divided by pi 3.14159. Now first print and then function calling radian to degree and in the bracket 3.14. So radian 3.14 and degree, that is output 179.908899, this value. Then with the help of help function, we print out docstring use in program. This is docstring use in program. Return, parameter alpha, precondition, this is. So help function that is used to produce output, that is docstring use in a function. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same function def radian to degree and alpha. We know that def, that is keyword, then radian to degrees, that is function name, and alpha formal argument. Now this is docstring. Docstring means it is present in between triple single quote or triple double quote. Okay. Then return value, return alpha into in the bracket of 180 divided by 3.14159. Then print radian to degree function and in the bracket 3.14 and help radian to degree. Okay. So if we run this program, then output that is for first value 179.9088 and then with the help function it return this docstring. Okay. Then a specification of a function define a contract between the implementer of a function and those who will be writing program that use the function. We will refer to the user of a function as its client. Client means user of function. This contract can be thought often containing two parts. First, some assume point. This description condition that must be met by client of the function. Typically, they describe constraint on the actual parameter. Almost always, they specify the acceptable set of types for each parameter. So this assume point, it means we know that docstring which represent how much parameter need to run a function properly and what is output of program, what is input of program and some condition. Okay. Then guarantees. This describe condition that must be met by the function provided that it has been called in a way that satisfy the assume point. Okay. So this is about today lecture. In today lecture, we describe about function specification. So whatever text that is in between triple quotation, that is function specification, and it described information about function. What is input, what is output, what is condition, formal argument, actual argument, all these things. Okay, so this is about today lecture. Thank you for today lecture.